Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh, celebrates Indian Constitution Day today as a part of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program. It is an AICTU initiative for promoting national integration through systematic exchange between paid states and union territories in the cultural, literacy and linguistic fields.
The structure of Constitution of India consists of preamble, which we have already gone through, and consists of main parts, articles, amendments, schedules, and appendices. What we are concerned is what are the fundamental rights, active principles, and fundamental duties. We as the student and responsible citizens must know what exactly is our fundamental right and fundamental duty on this Constitution Formation Day. So these are the various parts. Let us directly go to what exactly is the fundamental rights. So fundamental rights are different from other rights available to us. While ordinary legal rights are protected and enforced by ordinary law, fundamental rights are protected and guaranteed by the Constitution of the country. The Constitution of India recognizes certain basic fundamental rights for every citizen of India, such as right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. So these are the various fundamental rights for every citizen of the country. So you have an ordinary right, and that can be changed by the legislature by ordinary process of law making. But a fundamental right may only be changed by amending the Constitution itself. Besides this, no organ of the government can act in a manner that violates them. Any infringement of fundamental rights can be challenged by any citizen of India in the court of law. The Constitution of India also describes some fundamental duties on every citizen in India. So we'll see what are the fundamental duties. These are considered as the duties that must be and should be performed by every citizen of India. It can be taken as a duty of every citizen to abide by the Constitution, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspire the national struggle for freedom, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the national environment, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and spirit of inquiry and reform, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity,